A sludge drying system failed in Europe. But why? Too much energy? Emission risks? Unstable operation? Today, Europe evaluates more than drying performance. They evaluate operational risk, environmental continuity, some systems work well. Until they don't, the real test begins after installation. Europe evaluates lifecycle stability. Because one shutdown can cost more than the machine itself. The future of sludge drying is reducing uncertainty. SHINCCI low-temperature sludge drying solutions. Follow us for more industrial insights.